So hello and welcome guys, this is Ashutosh, your host, and I welcome you all in this video tutorial session of Virtual Lab IITs developed by IITs. So guys, today I have presented over here star delta starter of 3-phase induction motor. As you can see over here on the screen, this is the connection diagram of a simulation of star delta starter in virtual labs. So guys, this is the star delta starter you already know, and we know that a star delta starter is the most commonly used method for the starting of a 3-phase induction motor. So in star delta starting, an induction motor is connected through a star connection at starting period, and then once the motor reaches 80% of full load speed, then the required connection is switched on, moved on to the delta connection. This is the click on this remove all connection, and then we will reconnect the star delta starter simulation circuit. Okay, as you know, as you can see over here. So guys, this is the MCB panel. You can see this is the supply panel. This is MCB. This is on off button is given, and these are the three lines or phases L1, L2, L3. Okay, so let's remove, switch off the panel. Okay, so we have to stop it, then switch off. Okay, and then it will be removed. Okay, as you can see, it will be removed. Okay, and also you can remove this non-touch ammeter, non-contact ammeter. Okay, like this, an ammeter is not connected to L11. Okay, so we will again reconnect the circuit. So these are the three lines. As you can see over here, these are the three lines. This is the MCB switching panel. This is the supply panel. You can see over here, this is on switch, this is off switch. Okay, and this is MCB, and these are the three lines L11. As you can see over here, this is L11, this is L12, and this is L31, and this is ammeter which will be connected in series with the one line or one phase in series, and this is the voltmeter will be connected across the line voltage. Okay, across the two line terminal, so that the voltmeter can read the line voltage, and this is the star delta starter panel. Okay, and here you can see these are the 6 terminals from motor terminals, and these are the stator armature windings of motor, 3-phase induction motor. And this is the tachometer. As you can see here, it is not connected, we have removed this. Okay, this is tachometer, and this is non-contact ammeter. You can connect. So first of all guys, let's connect the circuit. Okay, you can see these are the three channels, CH1, CH2, CH3. This is oscilloscope where you can see the waveform. This is tachometer. Okay, you can see the torque meter, and this is non-contact ammeter. So first of all, connect this non-contact ammeter to this terminal L11. Okay, then ammeter is got connected, and then try to align this torque meter and tachometer with this shaft. Okay, this will be aligned, so it is connected. This is aligned with the shaft of motor. This is torque meter and tachometer, and the waveform will be shown on the oscilloscope. This is the oscilloscope where you can see the waveforms. This is CH2 and this is CH3. Okay, and then we will try to connect the circuit. Okay, so first of all, this is first phase, so connect this to the positive point of ammeter. It will be connected in series. Okay, this is the positive point of ammeter, and negative point of ammeter to this I1. Okay, this is the ammeter is got connected in series with the one line. Okay, and this is another line. This is another line. So L12 is another line. So this is second phase. So you can connect L12 to I2. This is second phase got connected, and this is the third phase L31. L31 is got connected from I3, the third phase. Okay, like this. And the voltmeter is got connected in parallel. So connect the positive point of voltmeter with this line and negative point of this voltmeter with second phase. Okay, so ammeter will got connected. Okay, this is the ammeter. And now you have to connect the star delta starter panel with the motor terminals. Okay, you have to connect. Now this is U1, so connect U1 to U1 of star delta starter terminal to U1 of motor armature terminal. Then connect U2 to star delta starter terminal to motors terminal. And same V1 will be connected to V1 of motor armature terminal, and V2 will be connected to motor armature terminal of V2, and then W1 will got connected to W1 of motor armature terminal, and W2 will be connected to W2 of motor armature terminal. Okay, so as you can see the connection is already done. Okay, now we have to check the connection whether it is right or not. So check connection, and it is telling right connection. So it is the right connection. As you can see, now you have to switch on the supply from here. This is the MCB. Okay, this is the miniature circuit board. So you can switch on this first. And as you can see over here in this diagram, guys, आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि ये जो तीन स्टेटर आर्मेचर वाइंडिंग्स हैं, जिनके 6 टर्मिनल्स जो हैं वो इस स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर पैनल से कनेक्ट होंगे. और ये कैसे कनेक्ट किए जाएंगे, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं गाइस. हियर यू कैन सी द U1, दिस इज द R फेज. ये वाला जो है ये R फेज है. U1 U2 कनेक्शंस हैं जिसके 2 टर्मिनल्स आर देयर, U1 U2, एंड दिस इज Y फेज, दिस इज B फेज. Okay, so R, Y, B, U, V and W, 2 terminals are there. So guys, U1 जो है वो सबसे पहले R से कनेक्ट होगा. You can see, as you can see over here, U1 will be connected first, okay, to R, and then U2 will be connected to B. This is the U2 connection, U2 terminal, and U2 will be connected with the B phase. So guys, यहाँ पर ये ध्यान रखना है कि कभी भी U1 और U2 सेम फेस के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं होगा. अगर U1 R के साथ कनेक्टेड है तो U2 जो है वो किसी दूसरे फेस के साथ कनेक्ट होगा. तो यहाँ पर एक सीक्वेंस लिया जाता है कि U1 R के साथ कनेक्ट है, V1 Y के साथ कनेक्ट है, W1 B के साथ कनेक्ट है, तो U2 B के साथ कनेक्ट होगा, V2 will be connected with R and W2 will be connected with Y. So phase sequence ये RYB और ये BRY. So guys, U1 is connected with R, U2 is connected with B. Okay, and then second phase देखिए, this is the Y phase and 2 terminals are there, V1 and V2. So V1 is got connected with Y phase. V1 Y के साथ लिखा हुआ है, it is written over here, it is mentioned V1 is got connected with Y. So V2 will be connected with R. So V2 will be connected with R. As you can see over here, this is the R. और इसी तरीके से in the same way, okay, W1 and W2 will be connected. So W1 अगर B से कनेक्ट है, ये देखिए W1 ये B से कनेक्टेड है, तो W2 जो होगा वो Y से कनेक्ट होगा. This is the Y connection. So this will, ऐसा इसलिए किया जाता है गाइस कि शॉर्ट सर्किट और किसी भी एबनॉर्मल फंक्शन से बचने के लिए, शॉर्ट सर्किट वगैरह से बचने के लिए या फॉल्ट से बचने के लिए ऐसा किया जाता है जनरली. ओके, सो नाउ द मोटर वाइंडिंग्स आर गॉट कनेक्टेड विद द स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर पैनल. अब ये शुरू होने के लिए तैयार है गाइस. सो दिस इज रेडी, मोटर इज रेडी टू स्टार्ट. सो फॉर व्हाट हैपेंस, ओके, वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Okay, so as you can see over here, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि this is the point number 4. Star delta starter is a type of reduced voltage starter and we use it to reduce the starting current of the motor without using any external device or apparatus. तो आप जानते हैं गाइस कि स्टार डेल्टा यहाँ पर आप फॉर्मूला देख सकते हैं कि सबसे पहले स्टार वाइंडिंग्स की तरह इस वाइंडिंग्स को रखा जाएगा। मोटर को जैसे ही स्टार्ट किया जाएगा इस ट्रिपल पोल डबल थ्रो स्विच को स्टार कनेक्शंस की तरफ रखा जाएगा, ये इससे कनेक्ट होगा। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर RYB लिखा हुआ है। सो मोटर विल बी फर्स्ट कनेक्टेड टू दिस टाइप ऑफ स्विच, ओके, बाय यूजिंग दिस ट्रिपल पोल डबल थ्रो स्विच the motor windings will be started as star connections so that, अब देखिए स्टार कनेक्शन का फॉर्मूला क्या है, VPH इक्वल टू VL बाई रूट 3 और करंट IPH इक्वल टू IL, जबकि डेल्टा में होता है VPH इक्वल टू VL। सो स्टार में VPH जो है गाइस वह लाइन वोल्टेज से 1 बाई रूट 3 टाइम्स कम हो जाएगा। हर वाइंडिंग्स इसके ईच वाइंडिंग्स विल गेट 58% of the rated line voltage, 1 by root 3 times voltage कम आता है। This is the major advantage in star, और जिससे क्या है इसमें करंट की मात्रा कम हो जाती है, current will be reduced and therefore starting torque will also get reduced. Okay, this is the big advantage of star delta starter and typically has around 1/3 of the inrush current compared to DOL starter। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं guys, दिस इज द डेरिवेशन जहां पर स्टार्टिंग लाइन करंट कंपेयर किया गया है स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर में और डायरेक्ट स्विचिंग में DOL स्टार्टर में जहां पर डेल्टा वाइंडिंग थी। तो गाइस क्या होता है, स्टार्टिंग लाइन करंट जो है विथ डेल्टा स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर जो रिड्यूस हो जाती है 1/3 रह जाती है कंपेयर टू स्टार्टिंग लाइन करंट विथ डायरेक्ट स्विचिंग इन डेल्टा। एंड ऑल्सो क्या होता है गाइस, स्टार्टिंग लाइन करंट बिकम्स 1/3 इन केस ऑफ स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर कंपेयर टू स्टार्टिंग लाइन करंट विद डायरेक्ट स्विचिंग इन डेल्टा कनेक्शन, ओके, इन केस ऑफ DOL स्टार्टर। एंड ऑल्सो स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर में टॉर्क भी 1/3 रह जाता है। ऑल्सो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर इन दिस डेरिवेशन स्टार्टिंग टॉर्क विद स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर will get reduced to 1/3 of the compared to starting torque with direct switching in delta connections. So guys, we have already connected the circuit and this is the switching panel, this is the supply panel. As you can see over here, this is the MCB panel and this is the start and stop buttons. So just before going to simulation, we will just check the connection whether it is right or not. So it is telling right connection. So now we can switch on the supply. Okay, so first of all switch this knob to right. Okay, the connection is right. Then switch this knob to right, then switch on the MCB, then start, click on this button, then this will be turned red. Okay, and again switch on this MCB, second MCB, and then guys you have to you have connected the circuit diagram in star delta connections. So first of all, this is the TPDT switch. Okay, triple pole double throw switch. It is called triple pole double throw switch. So first of all, for starting the induction motor, you have to connect the stator armature winding. These are the stator armature windings in star. This is the star connection. So guys, motor is started with star connection. The motor has been started with star connection. As you can see over here, the voltmeter reading shows 127 line to line voltage, which is less compared to delta connection. Okay, and as you can see over here, the line current 26.93 ampere. The ammeter connected in series with the line. Okay, so it is showing 26.93 ampere. Okay, again you see the starting current is very much higher, but in this case it is reduced. Okay, again move to the 0 position and then move then we will move to star connection. Then you have to see the readings of this ammeter. Okay, now please concentrate on the ammeter's reading. I am turning this switch to star and then see the starting current 75 to now it is reducing 66, 64, okay, 33, and now it becomes 26.94. So that was the starting current. Okay, but still in this star delta starter, starting current is very much reduced because the star winding gets 58% of the rated voltage, line voltage. Because as you can see over here, we will move to the slide. This is the star delta starter. Now we will see the property. What is the property? This is the property. As you can see over here, a star delta starter is a type of reduced voltage starter. We use it to reduce the starting current of the motor without using any external device or apparatus. And this is the big advantage, guys. As you can see over here, this is the big advantage of a star delta starter. It typically has around 1/3 of the inrush current compared to direct online starter. As you can see the formula in star connection, VPH equal to VL by root 3. And IPH equal to IL, you already know. This is the formula. And for delta connection, you know VPH phase voltage equal to line voltage. This is the formula. And for current, IPH equal to IL by root 3. So as you can see over here, this is the derivation. And it tells us that the starting line current with star delta starter becomes 1/3 compared to the starting line current with direct switching and delta connection. And also the starting torque has been reduced to 1/3 in this case star delta starter. So guys, what happens if the winding of induction motor is connected in star, switched on to star, and the voltage per phase supplied to each winding is reduced by 0.577 because of this formula VPH equal to VL by root 3. And this is the starter connection we will discuss later. And you can see, this is the star formula, this is the star connection, and this is the delta connection, you already know. And the star configuration will reduce the coil voltage to around 58% compared to the delta configuration, and lower voltage will lead to a lower current, and that is why lower current enters into each phase of the star winding, and current in the coil while in star configuration will be around 33% of the delta configuration, and this will lead to a reduction in torque. The star configuration torque will also be around 33% compared to delta. So this is the important feature. So advantages of star delta starters: motor starting current is reduced cause each winding gets only 58% of rated voltage. Starting current is reduced to 1/3 compared to direct online starting, and that is why it is feasible for high HP ratings of motors. And as you can see over here, star delta starter is cheaper than auto transformer starter, extensively used up to 3.3 kilovolt line voltage. So we can directly move to our simulation, guys. This was our simulation. So as you can see in star connection, this is currently at star connection, and whenever you switch on by using this TPDT switch, triple pole double throw switch, then full line voltage is applied. This is the full line voltage, 220 volt. Now it will run, the motor will be run at this winding, delta connected winding. Guys, so this was the star delta starter. As you can see over here, and you can connect the circuit diagram for yourself and check out the readings, and you can see the graph. Whenever you move this, graph will be shown in star. You can see less voltage is applied, 127 volt. And therefore after reaching the 80%, reaching up to 80% of full load speed, this connection is made as delta windings. So now full voltage is applied, so you can check. Second, this is second, and this is waveform for in the third oscilloscope, you can see. So guys, this was the star delta starter. And so That's it for today, and we will meet in our new video tutorial session of Electrical Machine Lab Virtual Labs. Okay, till then, good.